Hey guys, let's take a look at another Brinks lock from their maximum security line. I'm sorry I don't know the model number on this, but it measures about 45 millimeters across, but I know a lot of you don't really grasp that, so just compare it to something that we know. Here's an American model 5200, so you can see it's a little bit more substantial than the 5200, a little taller and also a little thicker. And it feels like it's almost twice the weight. Just incredibly dense lock. There's no engraving on it anywhere, but the bottom is nice. It has a replaceable core. So if we got time, let's pick this thing and then gut it and see what's inside of it. I do have the key. The key's got some pretty radical bitting, a lot of high-low action going there, so it should be a pretty good challenge to get into this thing. Key does work. And this is a non-key retaining, so it's the first one of those I've done in quite a while. So let's get started, see if we can open it without a key one time. Okay, I'm going to be using just a little bit more tension on this one because the SC1 keyways usually require more tension than, say, an American. So, okay, pin 5, I just touched it and it feels like it's set. And it's really making a lot of noise. Sounds like you're dropping a cue ball on the floor. That's how loud it sounds to me here. Okay, it feels like 2 set. So let me start in the back again, see if we can get us a false set at least. That again was pin 5. It sure is loud. Okay, I'm going to reset and start this again. I must have overset something. Okay, I have a false set. It feels like I got some feedback there on pin 1, hidden up under my, I'm not sure if that's the pin or if I'm on my tension wrench. Let me look around the camera here. It's really difficult to say if I touched my tension wrench. There we go. It was pin 1. He just needed to be touched to put him into place. I got a little feedback on pin 3. And I lost my false set. So let's feel our way. We can find pin. Okay, I got my false set back, so it looked like pin 1 had popped out just a little bit there. Okay, pin 5 wants to be set. And I think I got him. I didn't think there were going to be this many security pins in this thing. And pin 1, you set him again, and all the way to the back. It's a little harder than I thought, getting into this one. Oops. I don't know if you saw that, but attempting to get pin 1, I almost pulled my tension wrench out. Okay, there's pin 3 again. Definitely chose the wrong binding order on this one, didn't we? Okay, moving back to stack, looking for another feedback from somebody else. Oh, crap, it was open. Okay. All right, what are we at? 5 minutes? Who knows? That's been open for like the past couple of minutes. All right, it looks like if we look in there, I need a, oh crap, I need an Allen wrench. There we go. Naturally, wrong size. Try this one. There we go. There's our core. There's all of our stuff. Okay, we're going to need a large. Probably a large. That'll be about right, I think. All right. Let's push this down. Unscrew it. Okay, we get all the junk off the back there. Take him out. Alright, make sure we put a key in here. Turn him like so. That spring out of the way. Let me get all that crap out so we don't lose it. Put him in here. And here we go. And of course that's the wrong size. Okay. Turn him like so. Push this in there. Come on. All right. This cylinder just a little bit bigger, so I'm going to have to, we're going to lose, let me set this just off to the side here. We'll get to that in a minute. Looks like our last two popped out. Let me get centered here and I'll dump them. I make that the last three. Okay, so I'm just going to have to go from this end. There we go. And we got everything. And let's get the key pins as well. Okay, so it looks like we had a possibility of having 6 in there. They only pinned up 5 for us, as usual. That's our favorite money-saving technique. Okay, those are upside down. In the interest of saving time, I just want to show you what it is you're looking at. So, if you get one of these Brinks, you're looking at bottom pins are all going to be standard pins, and driver pins, it looks like we have an assortment. We have 1 standard, and then we have 4 spools, and they actually seem to be, I'll pick one up to get a closer look, but it looks like they are serrated spools. If I can get the camera to focus for us. So serrated spools. Come on, camera, focus. There we go. So that's what you're looking at inside of this Brinks. Anyway, everybody, thank you for your time. Everybody stay safe and stay legal.